Hello everyone! Want to add smooth transform effects to your Gutenberg blocks without writing CSS? Learn how to do it easily with Essential Blocks in this tutorial. Before getting started, make sure you have installed and activated the Essential Blocks free and pro versions on your WordPress website. Now go back to the page where you want to show the effect. From there, select a block from Essential Blocks. On the sidebar, click the Advanced tab and then enable the Transform effect for adding motion to the Essential Blocks block. You can choose to apply the effect either in the Normal tab or as a hover interaction in the Hover tab. First comes the Rotate option, which adjusts the rotation of the block. Drag the cursor to rotate the block on the hover effect. For the 3D effect, enable the Rotate 3D option and you will see the 3D effect implemented in the block. After that, adjust the 3D rotation in the X-axis or the Y-axis, and select the perspective to adjust how the 3D block appears closer or farther away. Next, set the offset axis to move the position of the block in the up, down, left, right, or forward, or backward direction. Next comes the Skew effect in the X and Y axis will determine how the block will lean horizontally or vertically. Enable the Flip Horizontal effect to give a horizontal look to the block on hover. After that, select a transition duration to show how fast or slow the block will show horizontally or vertically on the website. Finally, click on the Save button to save the changes to your website. Now, when you hover over specific Essential Blocks, you will notice smooth, creative motion effects that make your website feel more interactive. This is how you can easily create an engaging WordPress website. Let us know in the comments which new feature you want to see in Essential Blocks. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.